Hey everyone, welcome back to the MeekFro channel. You're watching youtube.com/MeekFro, and today we are doing a video concerning the Zury Sis Hair V8910 bundles. Basically, you have an 8-inch, a 9-inch, and a 10-inch with a closure. Look at that lace frontal. Nice size you have there. I'm just showing you the bundles here. This is the Gogo curl pattern. They have other patterns in this hair as well, so be sure to check all of those out in the description box. As you guys see, I made a wig out of this hair. I just did the hot glue gun method. Pretty simple. Put it on the cap and boom, I just flipped the curls out. And yeah, basically what I have to say about this hair is it is super soft. I really had to look at the package and see if it was actually human hair. It's not. It is synthetic hair, and these curls were absolutely tight. So you know me, I love my big hair, so I flipped these curls out, gave it a nice little look, soft roller set type look. So yeah. So this hair is a color 2, and this hair is super easy to use, very easy to function with. It does not tangle at all. Absolutely carefree once you pull the curls out, y'all. I love how this style looks. Absolutely. Thanks so much, Zury, for sending me this hair. If you're interested in this hair, you guys, check the link in the description box. Thumbs up this video for me, please. Share. And yeah, look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.